How's it going, everybody? This is Corvette at 6 that's coding, and now not. And today I'm going to show you or tell you or blah blah you and and how to wait a minute. Oh yeah, and on how to install your own IDE, or yeah, basically IDE into your computer, because we've been doing coding for the last two videos, and I haven't and I haven't even told you how to have an IDE yet. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you, and just sit side, and I'm going to explain everything. Oh, sorry for that. I just hit my microphone. Okay, first of all, you go to a browser. It doesn't matter which browser you have, whether it's Chrome, whether it's Firefox, or whether it's Chrome. It's okay. You can pick any of the browsers that there is in the world. But for today's video, I'm going to use Firefox. Okay, and for the purpose of this video, I have uninstalled the Eclipse IDE that I already have, and the Java JRE and the Java JDK. So for the purpose of this video, so you can understand it better, Okay, so okay, so first of all, you need to go to the what are we going to do first? Okay, so first of all, before downloading an IDE, you need to have a Java JRE or JDK first. Okay, so first you need to download the latest Java version, and today is Java 8. Apparently, well, whenever you're watching these videos. I mean, it'll be weird, you might watch this video when it's 5 years from today's date. It's 2017. 5 years, or even 3 years or 2 years from now, and you will see, wait a minute, I have Java 9. Oh my god, that's a good translation of the future, if there is any future. Java 8. Okay, so you need to go to Java 8 Central Oracle Java, and you go to this site. You could read all this at first, but I don't really read that much about how to use something. I just like download it, install it, and I just run it on myself, and apparently it all works. So first of all, you need to download the JDK. There we go, the Java JDK 8U121, the latest version. Okay, yeah, you can click on this, or you can click on this. Okay, so here, Java SE Development Kit 8U121, accept license agreement. Okay, now you need to download whatever version that you have. Well, I have a Windows 32-bit. 32-bit. Haha. People doesn't use that anymore. I don't care. Okay, I do want to convert into 64-bit system, but it's not the time yet. Okay, we need to download. I need to download the Windows 32-bit version, and you can choose one of this, and you just right click, or you just simply click it, and you'll download it straightforward. Okay, so now we need to download, and we'll need to go to, let's put it in our videos, because that apparently is the empty space in my computer. Okay, now we need to wait about 2 minutes. Okay, so oh my god, good, that's good download speed. Okay, so while we are waiting for our Java to download, we're going to check the IDE. Okay, the IDE. or integrated device. I forgot. Okay, the IDE is basically the program that basically you do all of your codings inside your IDE. Okay, I made an article about it, and you can see in the descriptions to know what is an IDE. Okay, the IDE that I use and I'm comparable with is Eclipse, because I don't know, I just like it more than NetBeans. Okay, so you go to this website, http://www.eclipse.org/download. Okay, when you get to this page, if you have 64-bit of system, you could just click this and it'll download. Okay, but if you're the same fate as me and you have 32-bit, you need to right click on the page, or you can just click it. I don't care. Okay, I mean, you don't care. And when you go to this page, as you can see, the first item on the list is Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. As you can see, there is 32-bit version of it. You just need to right click or just click it to download it, or you could just also try the Eclipse installer, the 32 bits or the 64 bits version. Okay, so now we're waiting for our Java to download a little bit more. It's about 30 seconds remaining, but it doesn't download on Eclipse. Okay, 30 more seconds. Okay, there we go. Now we're done the video. Now we're done the JDK, and okay, so now we need to install the JDK. Fine, you click yes, then wait a minute, it's loading. It's loading. I don't fuck my computer. It's super slow. It's very slow. It's super slow. It's super slow. By the way, you could you could join this event, Eclipse Conference, June 21 to 22nd out of 21st or 22nd on 2017. Eclipse Summit India, July 27th to 29th up to 2017. Eclipse on Europe 2017, July 27 and 29, 2019. Oh, 2017. What a fool I am. Okay, it doesn't show up. I just may have to cut this part out. Cut. Okay, there we go. Finally, it appears. Yeah, because as you can see here, the Java platform. Yeah, there we go. This equals this. Next, public URI. Okay. The JDK package is already containing AJRE. Okay, so you don't need to download it separately. Okay, so now it's installing, and I'll just cut it into until it's done. Okay, and see you again when it's done. Okay, so while we're waiting for the installing to what done, I figured out a way. So now we can download Eclipse, because before the link doesn't work, and apparently now it works. Okay, it's a good sign. Okay, it's just a little bit more like that, and just like before, it doesn't work again. Damn. Let's try it again, and let's try it again. It's up. Now it's doing something. Okay, this doesn't work. We need to wait. We need to wait. We need to wait. Okay. Fuck yo. Get the fuck up. Yeah. Okay. Copying new files. Good. Good for you. Good for you. Good for. I'm sorry. Oh my god, this is so fucking long. Are you kidding me? Why is everything on my computer is slow? I don't know. Maybe it's because my computer is slow. Is it done? No. Yes, there we go. It works. It works. Yay, it works. Yeah. I'm sorry, because it literally took me about 10 clicks, 10 right clicks from this page to get into this page. From this page to get to this page. Oh my god, now my waiting is all done. I don't have to wait anymore. Okay, so it's still exerting installer. Okay, so see you again when I'm done with the installing. Okay, oh, there we go. We have some movement. It's at the end of the line, and it's long as hell. Oh my god, that's so fucking long. Installing moving backup files. What the heck does that mean? What the finch that does that mean? Okay, I'm not going to say fuck anymore. I'm just going to say finch. What the finch? Okay. Oh my god, 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes. Ah, there we go. As I said before, the JDK is one package with the JRE, so you don't need to install download them separately. Comes in one package. Install in Java. Okay, I'm gonna wait until it's done. Okay, bye, and see you again when it's done. Okay, so apparently our downloads are done. Okay, why can't I click it? I'm going to open this and we're going to extract it. Damn. Everything is taking so long on my computer. Documents. Shit. Here, it's here. Go. Good. And now I need to extract Eclipse the neon. Now waiting part again. This one is done, and now we're waiting for this. God damn it. Thank you. Now I'm just getting ready for this. And it's not even 1% yet. Look at that, 1 hour? Are you kidding me? Okay guys, I need to wait for 1 hour. Maybe 1%. There we go. Climbing. I just take a quick break. The link next step to access tutorials about the comment section. I don't care. Close it. Okay. It's done, and now this is done too. Okay. Java is done, this is done, and now we can open Eclipse from here. And we don't fucking need now we don't need now we don't freaking need this anymore. Okay. Damn. Library. Close it. Okay, so I already have a workspace, so I'm going to use the workspace that I have, and I'm not going to bother creating a new workspace because I already have it, and it all contains all my important data. So I'm not going to change quotes because I'm not going to change. It's weird, you know. Have you ever think that every YouTuber on the planet is actually backwarded? I mean, they all have autism. No offense. No offense if you're, no offense. But I guess all of the YouTubers in the world are autist. Why I say that? Because, you know, I mean, look at me. I'm literally shouting into a screen. I'm shouting into my screen. I'm talking to my screen. Is that called crazy? I could say that it is an autism, and I live with it every day. Okay, and I'm talking to my screen right here. I could tell you. Yeah. Even though all the other YouTubers have webcams or cameras that they use to record their facial expressions, it's even crazier, you know? They're talking into a camera. They're having an eye contact with the camera. Do you ever imagine? Do you ever think it like that? I bet you haven't, right? And that's why you need to quit YouTube from right now. Oh, sorry, YouTube. Okay, sorry, YouTube. I don't mean to do that. Being a YouTuber is like encoder. It's like I can't explain. I'm literally having the 20 minutes of my life sitting in a chair in a desktop, shouting to my screen and telling people how to do stuff that probably already in the internet already. Okay, so as you can see, this is the same Eclipse that I use. Okay, No, I mean it's not the same Eclipse that I use. I just reinstall it with the new Eclipse that we just downloaded, and as you can see, it works. It fully works with the Java and everything. Okay, so I hope it proves you everything. And I guess thank you for watching. And if you want some more videos from Captain 6 Coding, you just subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below. Okay, don't forget that, and make sure to hit that notification bell. Okay, turn on that notification bell underneath the besides of the subscribe button. Okay, see you again in the next video, and until then, happy coding.